In the March 1st, 2020 episode, we cover fundraising, investments, and shares. British financial technology startup Revolt has raised $500 million in a fresh round of funding that values it at $5.5 billion. The investment round was led by Silicon Valley-based venture capital firm TCV, an early investor in companies like Facebook and Netflix, and also attracted backing from existing investors Revolut Capital, DST Global, Lakestar, and GB Bullhound. Hong Kong-based tutoring app player Snapask has secured $35 million USD in fresh funding from investors, including Singapore-based venture firm Asia Partners and Intervest from South Korea. It reached break-even with the 1.3 million new users Snapmask onboarded in the past year. About a third were the past 3 months, coinciding with Hong Kong's suspension of schools. Fidelity International has acquired a $110 million HKD stake in the operator of OSL, one of Asia's biggest digital asset platforms for professional investors. The investment is part of a larger $36 million share placement by BC Group at the end of January. BC Group shares have slipped 7.6% so far this year. The HKSAR government proposed to provide tenants and startups at Hong Kong Science Park, industrial estates, and Cyberport a 6-month rental waiver, with about 1,800 tenants expected to benefit from it. Chief Executive of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region, Carrie Lam, said when meeting heads of some of the startups. China's Innocare Pharma plans virtual investor meetings for Hong Kong IPO. A Chinese biotech firm that canceled investor meetings for its Hong Kong initial public offering earlier this month due to the novel coronavirus outbreak is planning to hold them as soon as next week, but likely virtually. It aims to raise about $200 to $300 million in its first-time share sale, which could be the largest deal in Hong Kong to go ahead with formal pre-marketing since the Lunar New Year break. Don't forget to subscribe and rate us on iTunes, and find out more about WHub at whub.io, or stay updated through our LinkedIn and Medium for more content. WHub, Hong Kong's largest startup ecosystem, and where you'll find your startup passion.